Hello, my name is Manya Rinkta. Today I'm here with the Helping Others Smile Foundation. Welcome back to learning another technology lesson. Today's lesson will be based on how to share Google Docs. The first thing that I will be doing is opening up my internet server. I use Safari, but many of you might use Google Chrome. That does not matter because we will eventually end up on the same page, Google. So I'm going to start out by opening up Safari. Now, once I have opened up Safari, it leads me to the page of Google. In order to get to Google Docs, you have to be signed into your Gmail account. Because if you're not signed into your Gmail account, it will not allow you to use Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Drawings, or all the other features that they have available with your Gmail account. So, sign in is located on the top right-hand corner. And in order to sign into your Gmail, you have to press on this icon. Now, once I've clicked on sign in, it leads me to a page where you can see it says choose an account. I'm going to choose my Gmail account and then type in my password. Now, once I have typed in my password, I'm going to press next. Next is written in white. And it has a blue rectangle. It's right here. So I'm going to press next, and I have now successfully signed into my Gmail account. So the next thing I'm going to do is click on the three dots. There's row of three dots. So this is the feature that will lead you to Google Docs. Once I've clicked on that, it has brought so many options. Search, YouTube, Maps, Play, and most of all, the important one we want to use today, Docs. I'm going to click on that. And once I have clicked on Docs, it has led me to a page where you can see all my previous docs and options of creating different types of docs. The reason why you can see different docs here is because I've already utilized Google Docs. I've used it for my school. And I've also used it for my free time if I want to do some baking and type in some ingredients and save the list of ingredients. I've utilized Google Docs for that. So I'm going to press on blank because that is the type of doc I want to use and share. Now, once I have pressed on that, it leads me to a blank document. And you can see there's so many options here. Though this video only focuses on how to share the document. So in order to share, I'm going to press on the blue rectangle that says share, which is right by my profile picture. It is also located on the top right-hand corner. So I'm going to press on that. And before I'm able to share it with anybody, you have to name your document. You don't have to actually, but you can skip it. Though I would prefer to name my document so it's easy for me to find. So I'm going to name my document. I'm going to name it Google Docs. And then after I'm done naming my document, I'm going to press save. Now, once I have pressed saved, it leads me to the page where I'm able to share my document with as many people as I want to. So over here where it says add people and groups, I'm going to type in the person's Gmail account or email account I want to send it to. Now, as I've typed in that person's name or Gmail account, you can see the email over here. You can see the person's profile picture, first and last name, and again, the email address. So I'm going to click on that. Now, it will notify that person once I've sent it. So they will get an email. And one cool feature that they have over here is that you can send a message along with the doc you're sharing. You can let that person know anything that you want them to know. I'm going to say, here's the Google Doc you have been waiting for. Though, before I send the document, I have the option of letting this person be a viewer a commenter, and editor. Since I'm the owner of this document, I can choose one of these three options. Now I'm going to explain what these three options are. So if you're choosing the option viewer, the person you're sharing this document with will only be able to view. They cannot add anything else onto this document. They can only view it. It will be like a PDF for them. Now, if you choose the option commenter, they'll only be able to comment, make comments on your document. They won't be able to delete stuff that is important, that you want on there. They can only add suggestions and comments. Though, if you choose editor, they will be able to edit the document. They'll have the same privileges you have as an owner. So I'm just going to choose editor for right now. And I'm going to press send. Send is, again, a blue rectangle with send written in white. So I've pressed send, and there I've successfully shared my document. Another thing, you can always go ahead and edit how you want the person you've sent it to access the document. They can be a viewer, they can be a commenter or editor. At any time you want, you can fix that feature on there. So this video was based on how to share a document. Hopefully you guys learned it very well, enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching and listening. And let's remember, let's help others smile. Thank you very much.